Yes, mga jobber guys, the most important is when we have time to like exercise, hindi naman tayo kabisi sa ating love life, sa ating trabaho. And of course, ikaw may kasabihan kung paano naman pagsasabay ang trabaho at ang love life. Ang love life at ang trabaho, which is really important. Siyempre, kung saan tayo kumikita ng pera. So, join us for today. Alright, here we go! Let's start. And of course, i-dub lang natin to kasi medyo maingay. We can do this like 3 times and of course, 8 times and of course 3 set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And syempre, pwede tayo magpahinga dahil meron akong kape. Pwede tayo mag-coffee. Yes, meron akong kape. Kasi meron akong free coffee. Yung coaster niya dito, yung nangyari. Pwede tayo coffee. So, fuck. When I wake up in the morning, I get the coffee. The protein powder, the most important. Kasi yun yung vitamins and the supplement. So, saka na. Sige, exercise na tayo. And I like this position. And of course, mga jobber guy, this one I like it. And for R is flat is stomach, and of course for R1 is rock special to our felt big bone. I can do this like 8 times, and of course 3 set. Pwede natin gawin to basta may upuan lang. Huwag lang sa papag. Naku, baka masira ang papag. And ito yung pang-alternate ko. What you call it, the push-up. The push-up can do this like 8 times, and then you can do like 3 sets. Kahit English or of course, diba? Saan ka ba? Balik ka ito. Ang sinap. Hindi problema. Kumapang ka sa pag-exercise. You can relax the coffee, and then you can do edit. And actually, malakas ang wifi nila in here. So I use editing a video sa Facebook page. Punta ko, it's not in a Facebook page, only like 1 minute and 30 seconds in here. So you can do like more effort, like 8 minutes. So yeah, let's go. Siyempre mga Jobber Cats, naku, iniwan ka, nagmahal ka, hindi problema yan. Mag-ehersisyo tayo. And of course, eto, sabayan mo ako. I like this one, this kind of position. And of course, and then this one is really good for flat stomach, sa ating pelvic bone, especially sa ating bone structure and blood circulation at anti-aging. Ano ba ang ehersisyo? Exercise is the best relief stress wherever we go. Just make a soul for our bone structure, which is best and for your silent body shape. So we can get the idea of what is good. At syempre mga jobber, ito naman sa likod. But din sa bicep o sa tricep, actually sa back. As the most important thing ang ehersisyo is malaking tulong sa ating kalusugan, especially pag nagkakaedad tayo. Yes, alam mo ba? Anti-aging. Yes. Kasama na antioxidant. Siyempre nakakaputi din yan. Of course, when you sweat and of course you eat healthy foods, yung mga antioxidant, talagang lalakas ang ating pangangatawan. San ka pa? Hindi pa ako nakontento. Inulit ko pa. Ginagawa ko to. And of course, this one, I like this. And I want that's not really got heavy, yung kaya lang natin. Pwede dito sa chest. Naku, di ba? Gusto nila malalaking dibdib. So, eto. Try natin magpalaki ng dibdib sa mamagitan ng ehersisyo. San ka pa? Ika nga, exercise is the best relief stress. Yes. Lalo na sa love life. Oh my God. Paano naman may pagsasabi ang trabaho at ang love life? Love life at ang trabaho. Ehersisyo na lang natin yan. San ka pa? Pagkatapos ng pwede kang mag-emote. Ito, dinagdagang upa para humaba lang ang aking vlog. Eh, siyempre, ang content din ito. The most important is we take care of our body. San man tayo. Dinadab ko to, inom muna ako ng coffee. Kasi mahilig ako sa coffee when I wake up in the morning, when I go to gym, when I go to the work. And you know what? The black coffee when you wake up in the morning, maganda yan. Lalo na sa mga ating mga uncle, they always fresh at saka yung laging tigang sa baba. Alam mo naman. And I can do this for a chest and 3 set and of course 8 times. And eto, sabayan mo ko, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Joke. Eto na. Yes, mga jobber guys, the most important is when we have time to like exercise and ganun tayo kabisi sa ating love life, sa ating trabaho. And of course, ikaw may kasabihan kung paano may pagsasabay ang trabaho sa love life. Love life at ang trabaho, which is only one. Siyempre, kung saan tayo kumikita ng pera. So, join us for today. At sa mga Java Cats, my favorite. We can do this outdoors or indoors. Sa loob ng ating bahay. Yes, sa kusina. Habang tayo nagluluto. Pwede rin sa bathroom habang tayo ay nag-shower at sumisigaw ng ating kupong sing-sing. Sabay nulo ko ng bato at darna. This one I like. This one is the best. And of course for our flat stomach. And of course it's really good. And of course sa ating body shape. Parang shake a boom boom. Pwede kang mag-emote at dahan-dahan mo lang siya. And this one, I like it too dahil nagkakaida na tayo. Ang importante, meron tayong time na mag-ehersisyo sa ating pangatawan. Laking tulong yan sa lahat ng bagay. Diba? Free yan. And of course, ang ehersisyo is walang bayad yan. Maliban lang sa membership, sa gym. Yeah, siyempre, not important. And of course, you can go outdoors or inside and outdoors sa ating bahay. So, saan ka pa? Malapit na rin yung matapos. And pwede kang mag-yoga or stretching. You know what? The stretching is really best. At napakasarap yung feelings at babagal ang iyong pagtanda. Saan man tayo magpunta sa buong mundo, may kabisihan tayo sa ating trabaho. Huwag natin kalimutan ang ating katawan and of course, kasi ito ang ating kayaman.
It's time, yes. I feel really better and this for this gym and it will be so fancy and so thrilling. So every time on the blog, the front of the course, I thank you so much to each everyone. And this is your cool video and every time to share my story. Don't subscribe and comment, and your time.